Welcome to our channel. Pressure reveals and amplifies weaknesses in your game. These mental strategies help you perform when it matters most. Step 1. Develop and trust your pre-shot routine. Under pressure, rely on your familiar process rather than mechanical thoughts. Your routine keeps you present and committed. Step 2. Focus on the process, not the outcome. Instead of thinking about winning or losing, concentrate on executing each shot properly. Control what you can control. Step 3. Use breathing techniques to manage anxiety. Deep, controlled breathing before shots reduces physical tension and mental anxiety. Practice breathing exercises regularly. Step 4. Create a specific swing thought or feeling that occupies your mind during the swing. This prevents negative thoughts from interfering with execution. Step 5. Embrace pressure as opportunity. View challenging situations positively rather than fearfully. Pressure moments offer chances to excel and build confidence. Step 6. Practice under simulated pressure regularly. Create consequences for misses during practice through games, competitions, or self-imposed challenges. Step 7. Develop emotional control after poor shots. Championship golf requires recovering quickly from adversity. Use triggers like adjusting your glove to reset mentally. Step 8. Build confidence through preparation. Know you've practiced well and developed your skills. Trust your abilities when pressure arrives. Step 9. Stay physically fresh. Fatigue undermines mental performance. Maintain proper nutrition, hydration, and rest during competition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.